Hi guys, welcome to Filmy Fitness. This is Aman Till, and today is the day 3 of 10 weeks lean gain program. I am starting with 10 minutes warm up. In lean gain program, I always target multiple muscles with maximum reps. So I start with push-ups. In this exercise, full chest muscles are involved, so it's a good chest warm up. I'm keeping my arms little out than shoulder width to feel full stretch in my chest. Keep rest of the body straight. The speed of my reps are little bit faster, but with full control. Moving on to incline bench press. This exercise is designed to target your upper chest, so your bench position must be on 45-degree angle so that you will feel complete stretch in your upper pectorals. Grasp the bar with grip slightly wider than shoulder width and bring it over your shoulder with your arms straight. Lower the bar with full control and feel the proper stretch in your upper chest. The third exercise is bench press. I will be performing the exercise with full control. Arc your back, grabbing the bar little wider than my shoulder width. Breathe in as you lower the bar, touch the chest and push up with the leg drive. This exercise mainly targets the middle pectorals. Next exercise is cable crossovers. Focuses on the lower chest, firstly setting the pulley in the highest position. Stand in the center of the machine with feet shoulder width apart. In this, back straight, slightly bend your torso with neutral spine. Bend your elbows slightly as well. With your rest facing the floor, keeping your core engaged, pull both handles down in the front of your body. Squeeze your chest muscle in this full contracted position. Slowly reverse to the start position, keeping the bend in your elbow throughout. The next exercise is cable rope push down. Grab the handle with an overhead grip, keeping your arms bent and your hand shoulder width apart. Keeping your upper arm fixed in place, push the bar down until your elbows are locked. Return to the starting position and repeat. The sixth exercise is the push down. Grab the bar and stand upright with your back straight and your elbow tucked into your sides. Stand with your feet width apart, pull the cable down until the bar touches your thigh and squeeze your triceps at the bottom of the move. Moving on to the dips, narrow shoulder width dips primarily train the triceps. Start by gripping the edge of the flat bench and hold yourself up using your triceps. Then lower yourself until your elbows are bent between 45 and 90 degrees. Slowly push yourself back up to the start position and repeat. The next exercise is single arm reverse push grip. Start by setting a bar attachment on a high pulley machine. Slowly elevate the bar attachment up as you inhale so it is aligned with your chest. Only the forearm should move and the elbow should be stationary by your side at all times. Lower the cable bar back down to the starting point while exhaling and contracting the triceps. The last exercise of the day is skull crusher. This exercise is not for beginners. Take an easy bar, grabbing the inner grip. Extend your arms straight up, keeping your elbows tucked in and your arms perpendicular to the floor. Lower the bar until it's just above your forehead. Slowly bring your arms back to the starting point without locking your elbows. After this, don't forget to stretch and finish the day by 20-minute cardio at level 6. Hope this video was helpful. In the evening, I will do complete abs. See you in the evening. Now I will be doing complete abs workout. So let's start with hanging leg raise. Grasp a pull-up bar with your hands shoulder width apart. Using an overhead grip, engage your abdominal muscles and while keeping your torso stable. Slowly raise your legs until they are at 90 degrees with your torso. Leg raises are great for your abs and the obliques. Melt belly fat and tone your body. Breathe out when you go up and slowly go down with your torso. You must feel the stretch on your abs and the obliques. Moving on to exercise that is sit-ups. Lie down on your back, bend your legs and place feet firmly on the ground. Also, you can get a decent workout for your lower legs. Curl your body all the way up. Exhale as you lift. Slowly lower yourself down, returning to your starting point. Inhale as you lower. The third exercise is decline crunch. This exercise is good to hit your upper abs. Lie down on a decline bench and secure your legs. Put your hands on the either side of your head, keeping your elbows in. Push down forcefully with your lower back while you contract with abdominals. Exhale as you do so. Keep your lower back on the bench. After holding the contraction for a second, start to come down slowly to the starting point. Inhale as you do so. Moving on to the decline bench leg raises. This exercise is good to hit your lower abs. Lay on the bench backward with your head at the highest end. Hold onto the pads above your head for stability. With your feet and knees together. Point your legs out straight so your body forms a straight plank. Your legs should not be resting on the bench. This is the starting position of the exercise. Keeping your legs straight, knees and feet together, and rotating at the hips only. Bring your feet up as far as possible. Don't pause at the top of the exercise, as this counts as a rest. Lower your legs back to the starting position and repeat. Last exercise of the day is figure 4 crunch. Lay on your back and flex left one leg a 45-degree angle from the floor. Cross your other leg over the raised leg, resting that ankle on your thigh, just above your knee. Take the opposite hand and lift your shoulder off the mat to touch the bent knee. This exercise is good for obliques. That's all for the day.
Guys, I hope that day 3 was enjoyable and helpful. See you all tomorrow. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel.